Hi! Today I'll be using the beautiful Forever Fern stamp set to demonstrate for you a clean and simple card. The Forever Fern stamp set is from the new 2020-2021 Stampin' Up! Catalog. Making the beautiful Forever Fern stamp set even better are coordinating dies. And even though I won't be using them today, I'll be sure you get a good look at them. I'm Shelley Godby, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 19 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. The Forever Fern stamp set is a distinctive stamp set. If you don't know what that means, well, I'll explain and wait till you see the results. Here's a closer view of the beautiful Forever Fern stamp set and the coordinating Forever Flourishing dies. And when you order the two of these together, starting June 3rd, 2020, in my online store using this special bundle item number, you'll save 10% on both. Those savings add up. So be sure when you're looking through your 2020-2021 Stampin' Up! Catalog to look to see if there's a bundled discount available. And so the Forever Fern stamp set, well, it's a distinctive stamp set. And what that means is distinctive is Stampin' Up's patent pending process and how they make stamps, so you get this incredible detail. They look realistic, and that shading. If you think it looks good here now, wait until you see us use it on our clean and simple Forever Fern card. So what I have here is Whisper White thick cardstock. The Stampin' Up! Whisper White and Very Vanilla cardstock are ideal for stamping. Their smooth, tight finish give you crisp, clean images. There's just no comparison. So I have the Whisper White thick cardstock, so that same finish is just sturdier. And you'll see in a bit why I'm choosing this for a layer. Okay, so let's get started. And what I have here is the Mint Macaron Classic Stampin' Pad. So I'm going to pick up this lid, slide it in, and then a quick swipe of my stamping sleeves in case I got ink on me doing that. I don't want to smudge my card. All right, and so we'll start with this fern. And we'll get it good and inked up. And come about right here. Look at that detail and the shading. Unbelievable. Crazy about this. All right, so let's ink it up one more time. And, you know, this is red rubber, but it's unmounted until we put on acrylic block. And so I can see through the acrylic block and look how I can get my placement just where I want it. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So we are done with that. So what I do is a little push, pull on the lip, and click. You want to hear that it's shut, and another quick swipe on my stamping sleeves. I just seem to get ink on me, who knows, opening, closing pads from the mount, whatever. And I just got tired of messing up my cards, smudging them. And so my mom and I came up with the stamping sleeves. And I'll have a link below the video where you can learn more about picking up a pair for yourself if you're really tired of smudging all your cards too. So the second color I'm using, Pretty Peacock Classic Stampin' Pad. So same thing, pick it up, slide it in, and a quick swipe. Okay, this card really quick. These colors together are absolutely gorgeous, and of course the stamp set is. So we'll come over here, and I'm going off the edge. You know, not getting that full, oh, don't you love these colors? And the shading and detail are just phenomenal. And we'll come over here, add in a little bit more. So I'm just straight up and down without rocking. Beautiful. So we're not quite done with this. I have the greeting that's from this to a friend that makes me smile. I think they made a lot of these greetings for me this time, Stamping Smiles. Wait till you see all the smiles that are in this new catalog. And so we'll come over here and fit this in right about there. So just straight up and down without rocking. Beautiful. All right, so this little splatter is in there. I just love splatter. So ink that up, but I don't want this full strength. We're going to use a technique called stamping off. I want it to be more subtle, so I'm stamping off some of the ink, but I'll still have that great color coordination because look, we'll do that again, come over here and go off the edge. Fantastic. So a little push, click, aha, we got it, and a final swipe on our stamping sleeves. So for the base of my card, I have the Whisper White Thick again. Look how sturdy that is. That is fantastic. So, you send the card to somebody and they like to put them on display. I've heard, some of my sweet stampers that their friends put them they're all over their mantle or whatever. So you want it to be sturdy. And so when you do a clean and simple card like this, and I love tone on tone, that white on the white, isn't that nice? But instead of just putting that down flat, it just makes it extra special to use Stampin' Dimensionals. These are foam dots. All right, so we'll do is pick this up. Look at that. Oh, that one just came off for us right away. One in each corner. There we go. And this is a good sized piece of cardstock. So we'll put one in the center. And speaking of the cardstock, the good sized piece, I'll have a link to my blog post with this card so you can get the measurements. All right, so I'm just pressing down with my thumbnail. And look, that makes the edge pop up. It just pops right up and easy to get off. And so then we'll layer this right on here. And look, we saw it flat. Now we see it raised up. Creates a bit of a shadow. It just makes this more special. I mean, it's already special because it's so gorgeous with the Forever Fern stamp set, but a clean and simple card that you can make in, what, about a minute or less? And so there you go. And this is my April 2020 thank you card. When you place your $50 or more Stampin' Up! Order with me in products, I'm going to send you one of my beautiful clean and simple Forever Fern cards. If you'd like to make my clean and simple Forever Fern card, all the supplies are listed below the video. The Forever Fern stamp set and the coordinating Forever Flourishing dies will be available to order starting June 3rd, 2020 in my online store. And when you place your June 2020 Stampin' Up! Order with me of $50 or more, I'm going to send you one of my clean and simple Forever Fern cards. So get on over to my online store, www.shopwithshelly.com. I'm Shelley Godby, teaching you how to create hand stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.